Good morning, guys. So you guys get really lucky this month apparently because I'm going camping twice, and you guys probably just saw my video about Algonquin be posted like a couple days ago. I don't know when yet. I actually haven't even edited yet because it's only the day after I just got back from Algonquin, and yeah, that trip was really good. I'm the most myself and most happy when I'm in nature. So it was a really great trip. I was really happy to go with my two best friends, enjoy ourselves, do hiking, swimming, all that stuff. So yeah, welcome to this video though. This one, Izaak and I are going camping tomorrow, and actually right now Isaac's sick, so yeah, I'm really hoping he gets better, obviously, because I really want to go with him, and I haven't seen him in like 4 days, so I really miss him. Yeah, I wanted to start this video off with a little unboxing because I'm going into my master's, if no one knows, and I'm taking environmental science, blah blah blah. That's not important for what is in this box. This is just from Amazon, but I needed some back to school items, and they're not your typical back to school items, but they're things that I really wanted, so figured I'd open it up with you guys. Alright, so first thing I got is, everything's wrapped in plastic and I freaking hate that, but I got this lunch bag here, so let's open it. Oh. Okay, yeah, I got this lunch bag because my lunch bag, I recently stained it with like some gross salad dressing, and I really wanted something bigger, so this fits like a crap ton of stuff in it. Folds up like this, it's all cute, just has this handle, but I really liked it because I want to hold it around my like shoulder with this strap. So yeah, got that. I'm really into, and well, I really plan on being into meal prepping again, so this is going to be handy for the days that like I have to bring my, you know, breakfast, lunch, and dinner maybe. Who knows? I don't know how a master's goes, so hopefully that's not the case, but yeah. And then the second thing I got here, again wrapped in plastic, we love that. I'm pretty sure this is for my hydro flask. Yeah. So this is just, oh, are they too big? They look really big, but maybe they'll fit. Anyway, they're the wide mouth like lids for hydro flasks. Oh no, it'll fit. But I just got like 2 of them. They pop up like that, and they have like a straw that attaches. So I picked those up because I only had one lid and it was getting really gross because Guelph's water has a lot of calcium in it. So got that. And then I don't think I need to open this, but the last thing I got is just like 3 different sizes of reusable produce bags, because usually I would just buy like apples and stuff that can be like left out in the cart, but I really want to start buying a lot more that probably touching a cart wouldn't be good, like Brussels sprouts. Like, how do you just, you know, grab a couple of Brussels sprouts? You have to have a bag. So yeah, that was everything I got. That's my back to school, guys. Isn't that sad? Because like I already have paper and pens and a laptop. Like, I don't know, I just didn't need that much. So yeah, that was my back to school haul for you guys. The next few clips are probably going to be tomorrow, and Izaak and I go camping, so I will see you then. Hey guys, it is Friday now. Izaak and I are going camping really soon. He actually had to work today until 4, so it is now 3:16. I am just preparing everything, and I already packed my bag here. So this is my bag all done, and I'm being a really good girlfriend and packing his bag. 1, because, you know, we'll just get to leave faster, and 2, he sucks at packing and he never packs enough. So I'm gonna do it for him, and time lapse.
Two hours later.
Hey guys, Izaak and I made it to the Rouge National Urban Park. It is like 8 p.m. right now, and I'm just waiting for him at the washrooms. But once we get back to the campsite, I will show you around. It is so beautiful. I'm so grateful for the campsite I chose because we only have one neighbor, and these ones are kind of like closer together, but it looks so nice. I just have like a really good feeling that we're gonna have a great weekend. For 3 days, I guess. 3 days, yeah.
Yep.
It's so big, and there's a little, I want to show the vlog, the back. But there's the tent, here's the fire we couldn't get going last night. We have this cute little ravine. It's so cute. It's really nice.
Is that an ice cream truck?
Oh my god, that's amazing. I'm so happy I started recording right now.
That's awesome.
Yo!
That's awesome.
Look at this. Look at the kids running. Oh my god, kids are running.
I love it. I love it.
Ice cream, I love it.
Gotta wave.
Oh my god, I want ice cream. Hi guys, Isaac's making us a fire and Piper's freaking out in the background. We're listening to Headley, but I had a good day. We had a good day, right?
Oh yeah.
And yeah, we went to the beach, we went on a hike. It was like 4 kilometers long and got some more groceries that we forgot to get. But yeah, that's about it. And tomorrow we're going to the Toronto Zoo, so I'm excited. You excited for tomorrow?
Oh yeah.
But yeah, we're just gonna relax and make some s'mores and keep listening to some music, maybe some Mariana's Trench, because, you know, it's what we do. And yeah, that's about it for the day. Isaac and I are at the Toronto Zoo. guys, we made it home. There was a little bit of traffic, but it's like 3 hours after that point right now. So we've just been relaxing and watching Friends. And yeah, it was a really good weekend. We went to the zoo and we just did, honestly, not much. Like, just relaxed, which was the point of the entire trip. So yeah, I'm happy to be home now. Felix is here. Say hi, baby. Perfect. And I am going to just finish editing this video now. I will talk to you guys in my next video.